2, 3, funky.
Hello my dear Kaguro, this is me again, Teacher Jelo, your only DJ teacher, and welcome back to my channel, Teacher Jelo Rizo. For today's video, I'll be sharing you some icebreakers or game during your online class. If you want to get updated, don't forget to hit the like button, and of course, subscribe to my channel, and of course, hit the notification bell. So, let's start this video in 3, 2, 1. Aside from the third-party applications that we are using in Zoom, like Kahoot, Quizzes, Mentimeter, Nearpod, I have here some of the simple games that we can use also while having our online class without using any third-party application. What are those? We have the first one, what's in the box. Second, Zoom Pictionary. Third, guess the word or guess the phrase. Fourth, what's on the board? And last, bring me. The first one is what's in the box. You just need an empty box, any of your choices. It could be a shoe box, package box, or any kind of box that the object will be fitted. How to do it? Place the item or object that you want to guess by your students. You'll be giving clue or clues that describes the object. Example, it is in the kitchen. Your mother is using in cooking. It is an example of condiments. And that is how you are going to do the what's in the box. And of course, the first one who get the correct answer will receive a point. And the second one is the Zoom Pictionary. For this one, you need to use your whiteboard in Zoom. And you need to share it on your screen. What will you do is to give a category that your kids will be guessing. And you will start illustrating slowly the picture you want to guess by your kids. How to do it? Write the category, then start to draw the object, and let your kids to give the correct answer. And of course, the person who will give the correct answer will earn a point. Let's have the third game. Guess that word or phrase. In this game, you need to make it sure that the one who will be telling the word or phrase is mute or the microphone is off. If the teacher will be the one to do it, mute the microphone. But if you will ask a certain student, ask him or her to mute the microphone and then give the phrase or word through chat in Zoom privately. And the fourth one is what's on the board. For this game, we need again the Zoom whiteboard. Give a specific category of the word, then you will draw lines depending on how many letters your phrase has. So for example, the category is province in the Philippines and the word is Batangas. So it has 8 letters and I will draw or you will draw 8 lines. Each player needs to give one letter that is possible present in the word. The host needs to write the correct letter being guessed on its correct position. For example, player 1 said letter A. If the letter is present in the word phrase, you need to write it on its position, then call the next player. Once the letter or the phrase is complete, you will proceed to the next word. And the last one is bring me. You know what, teachers? This is one of the most exciting games in Zoom because your kids or your students will not just be sitting on the chair, but they need to look around and find the item that you are asking for. So how to do it? All you have to do is give category or categories wherein your students or your kids will be getting and looking inside the house or inside the room. And once they got it already, they need to show it on the camera in a specific given time. So there you go. Those are just some of the simple games that will make your next Zoom meeting or your Zoom gathering with your kids or your students more fun and of course, more exciting. And of course, teachers, don't forget to give also prizes to your kids for them to participate again next time. So, which one among the 5 games that I mentioned to you will use on your next game to your next virtual class? Let me know. Comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, which is Teacher Jelo Rizo. And of course, click the notification bell so that you will be updated with my next video. So, that's all. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon again. Bye-bye!